personal color analysis even worth it? So what is personal color analysis? Well, it's a process of finding the best colors that fit for your skin tone, face shape, eye color, and hair color, and many other factors of yourself. But most commonly, the clothing colors are definitely the main analysis every consultant does. But there's also hair color, makeup color, patterns like polka dot stripes or gingham, and then jewelry color, glasses shape, nail color, eyebrow color, and anything else that can complement or ruin your face can actually be analyzed to find the perfect match tailored for you. So basically, if you've seen on like TikTok or Instagram, a person with a white cloth around them and a consultant flipping between fabric colors under their face, that's basically what personal color analysis is. But it's definitely popularized in Korea and definitely marketed a lot in Korea globally. And so I wanted to talk about it here in today's episode. First, we're going to be talking about the pros and cons, and then if it's even worth it. Is personal color analysis even worth it? So, pros. If you've always asked yourself or other people, does this color look good on me? Well, go to this personal color analysis and you will find your answer, probably more than what you want, and it will help you tremendously in your fashion, your style, and finding your own style and seeing what works best with you and looking as good as possible in every situation. Or maybe if you've wondered if you look better in silver, gold, or rose gold, but it can be quite expensive, about $100 to $400 in US dollars. So you could buy something more usable if you're not interested in this kind of stuff. But if you are interested, of course, it is definitely worth your money. And another tip that I would give you is if you are going to get a personal color analysis, I would definitely recommend going to a professional place, do your research, and go to a place that has high ratings, good reviews, and a reliable history. Because in the end, if it's a really bad quality analysis, you're probably never going to use their advice ever because they didn't really give you good information. They didn't provide all of the qualities that most color analysis give, like hair color, even jewelry or glasses shape, nail color. There's even like a collar shape that can fit your face shape. But in the end, it probably does not hurt to get a personal color analysis besides your bank account. And maybe even this can come in as kind of a butterfly effect, or like you can get more quote income out of this experience because maybe your fashion and knowing your shapes that fits you best can actually help you get a higher rank. Maybe if you're in the fashion industry. A while ago, I think a year ago, I did an essay on how beauty contributes to how well you get a job and how well it contributes to like education, all that. And I found a really interesting study that people who look good or look cleaner and professional, they have a higher chance of getting a job versus someone who probably has the same educational background and qualities that could fit them for that job, but they didn't get that job because I guess in an interview, they don't look as clean and professional and put together. And so that can even come to you as an advantage when you do this personal color analysis, especially in Korea. I know they are pretty high quality. Despite the pricing, I think it's definitely worth it because the only cons here are that it's expensive and that's it. So definitely, in the end, I would recommend going to a personal color analysis. Thank you for listening in on today's episode. I am so happy to be starting this podcast again. Pretty sure this is only my third episode, and if you have any suggestions and questions about the Korea travel experience, then you can ask in the Q&A section underneath this episode. My next episode will be coming very shortly, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you. Bye!